Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pressure cook basmati rice. This is really good if you're following the plant paradox diet and a lectin-free diet. And so the first step is you're going to get some white basmati rice that's from India, and then you're going to pour 2 cups of that into a bowl. Then you're going to pour enough water to cover the rice and let it sit for 15 minutes. After the rice has soaked for 15 minutes, you're going to pour the water through a fine mesh strainer like this. You're going to get your pressure cooker out and plug it in, and then you're going to press Sauté. Then pour about a tablespoon of oil to coat the bottom of the pot. And then you're just going to let the oil warm up for about a minute. I'm going to pour in my 2 cups of rice and 2 cups of water. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. So if I'm using 1 cup of rice, we can use 1 cup of water. And then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on top as well. Then I'll mix it together a little bit. Then you're going to press cancel and set it to pressure cook for 6 minutes. Then you're going to get the lid and close it. And then after you've closed the lid, you're gonna see that it still says on. And so when it gets hot to the right temperature, it's actually gonna say 6 minutes, and then it's gonna start counting down, and then it will beep. The steam has now closed the valve. And so at this point, the pressure cooker is up to the right temperature, and now it will pressure cook for 6 minutes. So the rice has been cooking for 6 minutes in the pressure cooker, and now it has beeped to show us that it's done. And we're gonna let it sit in the pressure cooker for 10 more minutes. And so you'll see that you don't even have to set it, it's just gonna start counting up. So the rice has been sitting for 10 minutes, and now is the really fun part where you get to release the steam. So it has that button that says press, so we're just gonna press that now. So one thing you want to make sure before you press this press button is that you don't have anything above the pressure cooker, because it is releasing hot steam, and that can be damaging to like a cabinet or something that you have above it. Okay, see that little silver thing just dropped, so we know that all the pressure has been released, and we can go ahead and open the pressure cooker. Got a little steamy, and that's looking nice and done. And that's it. That's how you pressure cook basmati rice.